Taiwan's Premier Cho Jung-tai works to reassure the public after the local currency's steep appreciation adds to the uncertainty of ongoing tariff negotiations with the U.S. Officials from both countries met in D.C. last week for their first in-person talks, and the Premier is optimistic.
在这一次上周的实质面对面的谈判当中，进行的过程相当的融洽，也为后来奠定了好的基础。
The U.S. has been negotiating for weeks now with dozens of countries about the tariffs. U.S. President Donald Trump says there could very well be trade deals to disclose soon, something he said last week and the week before. Despite the uncertainty, U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent is doubling down on the tariffs' stated goal to revive American manufacturing.
Tariffs are engineered to encourage companies like yours to invest directly in the United States. Make your products here. You'll be glad you did.
As officials work on securing a deal, Taiwanese entrepreneurs are putting their heads together to protect their businesses. At a recent forum in southern Taiwan, executives from a range of sectors got together to exchange ideas on how to globalize their businesses, a necessary step, they say, to survive.
I think everybody knows that we are an island type of country, right? So we have only 20 million people on the decline still, so there's no way we can go except going abroad.
At the event, hosted by Taiwanese alumni of the University of Michigan, executives shared their experiences operating in places like Vietnam, Germany, and the United States. Casey Kong helps Taiwanese firms invest in the state of Michigan. He says fears that U.S. production costs will be higher than Asia are valid, but that this does not mean investments won't pay off.
Certainly, there will be winner and loser. Higher costs don't always translate into higher margin, but in this case, I think if you focus on the U.S. market, maybe the new change might create more additional opportunity that's not currently in their business plan.
Alan Cheng also assists Taiwanese investors looking to expand in the U.S. He says entrepreneurs need to fundamentally shift their business approach, emphasizing soft skill traits like courage and confidence to get a good deal.
可是我们台湾人通常就会点头 yes， 那这不见得好事，因为你现在没有把正确的声音讲出来，没有把你的意见讲出来，其实很多时候讨论是无效的。
As Taiwanese businesses wait to see what Taipei and Washington officials settle on, they're also taking matters into their own hands, determined to find ways to diversify to survive in an evolving economy. Kamashu, Joseph Wu, and Joyce Tseng for TaiwanPlus.